In this video, we will discuss structuralism. As the word suggests, it basically deals with the structure of a text. Structuralism is an intellectual movement that started in 1915 France, but it can be traced back in the work of Ferdinand de Saussure, Claude Lévi-Strauss, and Roland Barthes. Let's look into their contribution individually. Saussure concentrated on pattern and functions of language. The first concept he talks about is sign, signifier, and signified. What is sign? Sign is the symbol that unites signifier and signified. Signifier is the word and signified is the concept. Let's understand it in a simpler way. If you hear a word chair, you automatically have an image of chair in your mind because you associate the word chair with something that is used for sitting and has four legs. So the word is signifier, that is signifying a concept, a chair. But the relationship between signifier and signified is arbitrary. That means there is no natural reason why a signifier is linked to a signified. There is no direct link between the form and the meaning of a sign. Moreover, a single word can have different meaning in different language or region. Secondly, it is relational. That is, sign only makes sense in relation to other sign in the same system. The sign is differential. It defines things by what they are not rather than by what they are. We understand darkness with respect to light, day with respect to night, male, female, good, bad, and so on. Why a certain color? Purple. The color is purple because it's not blue. This is how we explain it. So, the sign is differential. It can only be understood in relation to other sign. Strauss applied structuralism to study myth. For that he used the story Oedipus Rex. Oedipus is the main character in the story who kills his father unintentionally, marries his mother, becomes the king of the city of Thebes. Later on, when he comes to know about the truth, he poached his eyes, but he accepted his fate. So Strauss studied it in larger context. Larger context means whenever we try to study a novel, poem or any story, we try to relate other story with it, or in which period it was written, or about the relate something that we could relate with the biography of the author. So this is starting in the larger context. So Strauss related all the stories related to the Thebes, all the myths related to the Thebes with this story. Secondly, he studied the binary opposition in this story. Binary opposition like male, female, father, son, village, town, king, slave. So these are the two aspects which he looked into. So what does Barth do? Barth looked at a host of items which had never before been subjected to intellectual analysis. So he differentiated between boxing and wrestling. He studied wrestling in the light of theatre. For him, wrestling is not a sport but a spectacle, that is, performance. It is based upon sign system. Be it physique or the gesture of wrestler, it is an absolute clarity. There is exhibition of suffering and a fight between good and evil, whereas boxing is untheatrical and there is display of physical power. So it is about physical strength and not about moral values as in wrestling. He associates boxing with Protestantism and wrestling with Catholicism. Boxing is ideologically Protestant because it is spare, technical, and emphasized on work, whereas wrestling stresses spectacle, mystery, and rituals. Here is the list of major writers and their works. This is important to study because the more you read, the more you get a clear concept of structuralism. And also direct questions are asked from these texts in net exams. Sometimes quotations are also asked. Now coming on the MCQs. First, a method that involves deleting words from a text and having readers fill these gaps by drawing inferences from context and overall structure is close procedure. Who wrote Working with Structuralism? David Lodge. In how many lexes is the unit of meaning, Balzac divides his work? In Saracen, 561. Who is the writer of The Death of the Author? Roland Barthes. Question 5th. Who said The work will be considered as the manifestation of an abstract structure, merely one of its possible realization, and understanding of that structure will be the real goal of a structural analysis. Answer is Zvetin Todorov. Question 6. A couple of Saussure students compiled his lecture notes on language into a book that would be called what? Answer is Course in General Linguistics. Saussure never wrote any book, but his two students compiled the summary of his lecture in the book Course in General Linguistics. Question 7. Which of the following critic is associated with post-structuralism rather than structuralism? Answer is Michel Foucault.